What's going on? Look like when I cleaned this phone up, look like it make my video show it better. Look like, I don't know, y'all. Tell you, it look like it does though. So that means I might have to just start cleaning it off regular. You know what I'm saying? Doing it on a regular basis. You know. Hold on. Let me set my phone right there. Yep, look like it. Let me taste a little bit of this. I ain't got no cream in my coffee, but it's still good. It look like it does kind of show up better, like when you clean your phone off or whatever. Let me okay. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna see I'll come back after I'm done. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna show y'all. Can't hardly see him because the back. I'll be back. All right. That's Arizona tea. I'm back now. I didn't realize I had did 3 minutes. Yeah. So I'm gonna see y'all later, huh?